A big bowl of comfort, chicken noodle soup. Just the thought of it brings a sense of warmth and coziness. Imagine the rich aroma filling your kitchen, the steam rising from the bowl, and the first spoonful that instantly soothes your soul. Just hearing those words makes you feel warm inside, right? Chicken noodle soup is more than just a meal. It's a hug in a bowl. It's the kind of comfort food that brings back memories of home, family, and love. It's a classic for a reason. Passed down through generations, this soup has stood the test of time. Whether it's a family recipe or a new twist, chicken noodle soup never fails to deliver that comforting feeling. This soup is simple to make. With just a few basic ingredients like chicken, noodles, carrots, and celery, you can create a delicious and nourishing meal. The process is straightforward, yet the result is incredibly satisfying. It's perfect for chilly days or when you're feeling under the weather. The warmth of the broth, the tenderness of the chicken, and the heartiness of the noodles make it an ideal dish to lift your spirits. Let's get started on making this timeless classic. To make this delicious soup, you'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped carrots, 2 chopped celery stalks, 8 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of cooked chicken, shredded, 1 cup of egg noodles, and salt and pepper to taste. Grab a big pot. Heat the olive oil until it shimmers. This will be the base for our delicious soup, so make sure the oil is hot enough to sauté the vegetables properly. Add the onion, carrots, and celery. These aromatic vegetables will form the flavor foundation of our soup. Stir them well to coat them in the olive oil. Cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want the vegetables to soften and release their flavors, but not to brown. This step is crucial for a rich, flavorful base. Pour in the chicken broth. Bring to a boil. The broth will meld with the sautéed vegetables, creating a savory and aromatic soup base. Make sure to stir occasionally. Add the shredded chicken and noodles. The chicken will add protein and heartiness, while the noodles will make the soup more filling. Stir everything together to combine. Turn down the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. This will allow all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Keep an eye on the pot and stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste and add salt and pepper until it's perfect for you. Seasoning is key to bringing out all the flavors. Adjust to your liking, and remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it out. Want more veggies? Adding more vegetables to your soup can not only enhance the flavor, but also boost its nutritional value. Consider adding a variety of colorful veggies like bell peppers, carrots, and zucchini. These not only add a vibrant touch to your dish, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Add peas or corn in the last few minutes. These ingredients cook quickly and retain their sweetness and crunch when added towards the end. Like herbs? Fresh herbs can elevate the taste of your soup to a whole new level. A sprig of fresh thyme or parsley adds lovely flavor. These herbs not only enhance the aroma, but also add a subtle depth to the overall taste. Feeling adventurous? Experimenting with spices can bring a unique twist to your soup. A pinch of red pepper flakes brings the heat. If you enjoy a bit of spice, this is a great way to add a kick to your soup. You can also try adding a dash of smoked paprika or a hint of cumin for a different flavor profile. Serve your soup hot with crusty bread for dipping. The bread not only complements the soup, but also makes for a satisfying meal. Enjoy! Remember, the best part about making soup is that you can always tailor it to your taste. So don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own.